Help me understand, as a hardware tech startup, in 2015, what drove you that you wanted to start something in India like this when you knew that it's going to be challenging in the first place, more challenging than a usual tech startup? I want to know your reasons, you and your co-founders, why did you start this?
I think couple of reasons. There's not a single reason for it. I think I came from a product design background. I did engineering design at IIT, where it has been there from the first year of engineering that we wanted to build build products or
Great.
build electronics or that sort. That was one of the driving point we had, and we also saw a gap in the market where we didn't understand why there is no company like Apple or Google or any technology companies in the consumer electronics space. So that was again driving point for us, where why can't we create one, right? Maybe right now you would see a lot of companies in the space. I do agree, but back then when we were thinking, that was one of the biggest driving points for us. And third, like I said, we were kind of adventurous. So I was the one who was climbing mountains and etc.
Yeah.
So during certain times, we tried to build solutions for ourselves, where the crazy thing we started off with, we tried to make us feel colder or warmer using a wearable. We tried to build that. So there is a wearable which can actually make you feel, even in a sunny summer in Chennai, you can still make yourself feel much colder.
I want to buy it. Is it available on the market off the shelf?
No. We built it as, we felt that it was a big problem, and we tried to build it as our first product. Then we realized that there were certain ethical issues with that. It was actually tricking the mind rather than, physically making you feel like that. So you might get dehydrated, you might get maybe. So that's why we stopped it. But there was an MIT company who went ahead and launched such product. I think it's available in market right now, something like that. So there were a couple of incidents that led us to where we are right now. So once we made that, we felt there were bigger problems in wearable tech, or there was an opportunity which we saw in the third category. So basically, it's always like we created our whys from the problems we face. Little bit. I don't say everything is from the problems, but it was more of that.
But your background gave you the confidence that yes, we can take on this adventure essentially.
Correct. And also, like I said, in the first year, we did attempt to do that first. To see if we are even there, or if we understand anything. After serving like about 17,000 customers in 102 countries, then we decided to jump into music.